So in my last video, I started this new style Japanese hammer made from YK30 steel. I slit open the eye and started to drift. And so here I am now, continuing to drift. This is my final drift tool, and I'm using it over my convex concave anvil so I can give the hammer face a bit of downward curve. This is not absolutely necessary, but it does help me since I forge in a seated position, but other than that, it's mostly for aesthetics. I want to thank Azel Ames, Don Profoda, and Graham Jameson for their recent very generous donations to the channel. Graham is also my latest monthly recurring donator. It all really helps. Thanks so much, fellas. I'll have an update to my ghetto-style blower system coming up soon. This YK30 steel is way too hot to be quenched in water, so I'm just waiting a few seconds here. And the purpose of this quench is really to remove heavy scale. The steam helps free the scale, but this isn't the wisest idea given that this steel is almost 1% carbon. You can tell by the branching spark array that this steel has a lot of carbon. I'm making this hammer for my own use. I usually prefer a softer faced hammer, but for this one I want it to be much harder. I want the face to be more narrow, a little bit longer in front of the handle, and like I said, just harder to have more rebound. I'm not going to extremes to polish this hammer, but I'm definitely doing more than I would normally do. You'll certainly see me using this hammer in upcoming videos. And after some uses, the polishing will fade. I still need to handle this hammer, and how it will suit me in use is still to be determined. But I have a feeling that for certain projects this is going to suit me well. Stay tuned. I really appreciate everyone who watches and supports my channel. Have a happy new year, and I'll catch you guys next time.